Ripple CEO reveals big plan for the future of XRP. Of course, Brad Garlinghouse is bullish on the eventual fate of the cryptocurrency business. He's the CEO of Ripple, the crypto trade whose own advanced coin XRP is consistently the fourth biggest cryptographic money on the planet by market capitalization. As per Garlinghouse, who spoke recently at the Virtual Collision Gathering, cryptocurrencies are setting down deep roots, and controllers should be attempting to ensure the U.S. isn't left out with regards to crypto's worldwide future. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse shared his thoughts regarding the future of cryptocurrency and XRP. The CEO spoke up in a recent interview. In addition, Garlinghouse shared his frustration towards the lack of clear crypto regulatory guidelines in the U.S. Currently, Ripple is fighting a legal battle against the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission, SEC. Hello everyone, welcome to Future Crypto. Here you'll be informed about the daily crypto news along with the price predictions and updates. In today's video, we'll talk about the Ripple CEO revealing big plans for the future of XRP, the lack of clear crypto regulations, and future predictions of Ripple in terms of prices. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse doing his happy dance. Recently, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse tracked down an intriguing method to communicate his bliss in regards to something CNBC did that the XRP people group had for quite some time been hanging tight for. Everything began on May 25th when CNBC included Californian fintech startup Ripple in the 2021 release of its Disruptor 50 rundown, the objective of which has consistently been to distinguish quickly developing, inventive new businesses on the way to turning into the up-and-coming age of incredible public organizations. Ripple was number 38 in this rundown. The next day, CNBC's Cacklebox welcomed the Ripple CEO to show up on the program for a meeting, during which co-anchor Joe Kernan got some information about individuals who contend that crypto ought to be restricted on the grounds that it is periodically utilized for unlawful exercises. Garlinghouse answered that he thinks the inquiry they're posing is a truly significant one, and he thinks that it gets to the sort of center of once in a while a misconception about how these advancements can be applied in a manner that really will be truly useful for organizations, for residents, for simply a local area on the loose. Thus, when we talk about boycotting something, we should ensure we comprehend what we are discussing. The manner in which Ripple utilizes these innovations, as you presented, is that we can make cross-line installments, which are moderate and costly today. We can make them constant, proficient, exceptionally minimal expense, and that is useful for the worldwide economy. We can open trillions of dollars sort of caught cash flow to make the economy more productive. Thus, blockchain innovation is going to be applied in a ton of truly variable ways. It is lessening grinding, regardless of whether that be exchange cost, exchange speed. What baffled the XRP people group was seeing CNBC show a realistic on the screen, showing the costs of 5 of the most mainstream crypto resources, called the XRP ledger's local crypto resource Ripple rather than XRP. Garlinghouse laments the lack of clear crypto regulations. Obviously, Garlinghouse has experienced issues with the U.S. guideline framework, which he talked about in his meeting. As per him, the absence of clearness from U.S. controllers for cryptographic money is extremely disappointing, particularly when contrasted with different nations that he feels have given a superior knowledge into the business. Garlinghouse explicitly referred to Singapore and parts of Korea as instances of where the public authority has put forth a positive attempt to make an unmistakable administrative system for the advanced resources space. He likewise referred to his organization's own issues with the Securities and Exchange Commission to act as an illustration of the public authority not being sure about their system in regards to cryptocurrency and how that hurts the business. Incidentally, here in the United States, they've not given that equivalent lucidity. It's the solitary country in the world that has said XRP is something besides money. The SEC has said XRP is a security. As we are presently occupied with a court conversation, up until now I have a positive outlook on how that's been going, however it's disappointing, he said. Eventually, he expressed that regardless of the worry of certain controllers all throughout the planet towards cryptocurrency, the business should zero in on utility and utilizing the current innovation to all the more likely to serve buyers. He added that his organization, Ripple, would keep on utilizing XRP to profit its clients, examination to the side. Predictions on the future of XRP. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says now is a crucial time for the U.S. to establish itself as a leader in the booming crypto business. Here are the takeaways for what's next in the future of crypto from Garlinghouse. Cross-border payments and global partnerships will be crucial. Crypto has for quite a long time been a mainstream route for transient laborers to send installments to their families in their nations of origin without managing extreme exchange charges. Due to its debate with the SEC, Ripple lost an accomplice in MoneyGram, a significant installment stage for travelers. It, as of late, purchased a 40% stake in a Malaysian monetary administrations firm, Tranglo, which is yet anticipating endorsement from government controllers. Since the SEC question, 100% of XRP's clients are situated outside the U.S. A huge lump of Ripple's base is currently in Southeast Asia, since controllers in Singapore and Thailand grouped XRP as a computerized resource. Business is likewise blasting in the Middle East and North Africa, just as Saudi Arabia and India. Garlinghouse brought up that cross-line installments represent billions of dollars worth of exchanges each day. Garlinghouse said that settlements are plainly an extremely high-rubbing and costly installment component, and we're joining forces with our clients to make it substantially more proficient. NFTs are here to stay. Garlinghouse thinks NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have more backbone than some accept. He highlighted their many use cases, especially with regards to advanced collectibles. Growing up, I had a baseball card assortment, and the capacity to exchange baseball cards is high grading. In case you're ready to give an NFT related to each individual baseball card, the discernibility of that goes far up. At the point when you talk about craftsmanship, collectibles, music, there's a ton of utilization cases here that are exceptionally convincing, said Garlinghouse. He additionally said XRP is right now attempting to ensure its foundation will actually want to help NFTs. XRP future predictions in terms of price. The cost of XRP soared in 2021, notwithstanding the fight in court against the SEC and Ripple's CEO. In spite of the fact that there has been some uplifting news to XRP holders as there were bits of gossip about the body of evidence against XRP being frail, XRP has made critical gains and stays bullish, coordinating with the slants of financial backers. According to the XRP price patterns, investigators expect joint efforts with monetary establishments could drive the altcoin price. If this occurs before the finish of 2021, being a quick and less expensive cryptocurrency, XRP can undoubtedly get numerous financial backers. Consequently, the cost may hit the $1.673 mark with a bullish market. On the off chance that XRP shuts this year hitting the lows, it may continue the following year's exchange with a bearish note. And again, if 2021 hits new highs and closes, it may proceed with a similar pattern and begin 2022 with a bullish pattern. On the off chance that this occurs, the XRP cost might be at $1.681. The Ripple SEC claim may do work 2022, and the result is required to support Ripple. In such a situation, the XRP cost is required to drive at a higher speed. What's more, the cost may hit close to $2.44. In any case, if XRP thinks that it's difficult to endure the cryptocurrency controllers in nations like the US, the cost may implode and tumble to $1.269. Then again, if XRP figures out how to endure all chances, similar to the boycott or analysis in regards to the arrange and bring enhancements, it could be seen trading for $1.646. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it was a big help to you. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and thank you for watching.